Example 2, write a over x plus 1 over 1, or sorry, plus 4 over 1 plus b over x as a simple fraction. Same issue as the last problem. This is a complex fraction, so I need to fix it. B over x is the only fraction within the fraction. There are 3 total terms within the fraction. And again, looking at this as far as terms, 4 on top, 1, and being added to b over x. So anytime you have pluses and minuses, that separates terms. So a total of 3 terms in that fraction. I want to get a total of 3 terms in my simplified fraction. The common denominator of all the fractions within there would just be this one, x. So times x on that, so times x there and times x there. Multiply one thing, you multiply everything. The first object, a over x, is perfectly fine. So I'm going to keep a over x as is. And I'm going to add to that this fraction, which the top just becomes 4x. X times 1 just becomes 1x, and b over x times x just becomes plus b. So again, 1, 2, 3 terms, 1, 2, 3 terms. The number of terms matches. Now, just recently, I showed you guys a shortcut for adding fractions, right? Just numerical fractions, like if I was doing 7/15 plus 2/9, let's say. Let's say that's what we're doing, right? I told you you could multiply, multiply, multiply. That sound familiar? Mm-hmm. Some of you have been doing it, so I think I've told you. Right? So 63 plus 30 over 135. That product plus that product over that product. All right? That comes out to 93 135ths, which obviously reduces by 3 down to 31 over 45. All right? On a smaller scale, 1/2 plus 2/3. 3 plus 4 over 6. All right? Shortcut for adding fractions. Okay, this still works for this type of stuff too. Notice, x plus b and x are different denominators, right? So that product plus that product over that product is going to be the answer. If you can handle that, this product is going to be ax plus ab. This product is going to be plus 4x squared. All that goes over this product, which is x times x plus b. If you can handle that, great. Okay, I have no problem with you doing it that way. If, on the other hand, you prefer to actually see the stuff happening on your paper, what we typically did on these was we did x parentheses x plus b right here, right? And then we had a, and we had to figure out what was missing, right? So this has x times x plus b is new, so x plus b needs to be added to that. And then we have a 4x, and then we need, we have x times x plus b. This already has x plus b, x is missing, all right? And that ends up getting us ax plus ab plus 4x squared. Take your pick on how you want to go ahead and do it. I want the top completely simplified. I want the bottom in factored form. Or if you want to go x squared plus bx, you can. But I personally leave it right there myself. Factored form on the bottom, simplified form on top.